Don't know where it goes though, so I don't trust it. I remember this bit. And now should be a bit around on the left, and then some massive roots. I've got to get through these little divots here. God, I'm getting a lot of rear wheel steering on the sand. Jarvis would love to have a holiday here. Jarvis Cocker. Right, them roots are coming up, I know they are. Oh, I see trees. I see trees. Tell you what I'm going to do, because I don't want this to go over 11 minutes, hopefully it hasn't. I'm going to stop this now and I'm going to make it into another part. Oh, apparently I'm not.